Okay, guys, I now have been battling with cough and runny nose for past 2-3 days now, and this isn't that bad compared to the ones that I had like a few months back or last year, because I usually would have cough every now and then back in the days. But since I started taking this ginger tea, I blend fresh ginger, put it in the fridge. Now I've incorporated it with this swine defense tea and immune support. So this tea is amazing. I don't know. It's amazing. It's helped me through this cough period and runny nose. And I add these 2 bags into it with a spoon of ginger and 2 spoons of honey. That has helped a lot, guys. I cannot say this enough. You guys should try it. At least try that before you catch the cold. It will help support your immune system. It will help, especially with the ginger. You can add garlic if you like the garlic taste. For me, I love to cook with garlic but not have it with my tea. Yeah, so a friend gave me this idea and I thought I would share it with you guys. So try that and thank me later.